Hi, grade fours and fives. Um, Welcome to your last math videos. What? Are we near the end of the school year already? Oh, am I the only one sad here? Okay, number one. Actually, today we are learning multiplicative relationships and times as many. So let's go over what that means. Number one. What is being compared? So super easy. Looking at 1A, it says Sean drives at 45 kilometers an hour. So what is being compared? It is kilometers and hours. So all you have to write is km and h in the blanks. Okay, B, what is being compared? Monica earns $8 an hour. So it's dollars and hour being compared. Okay, I'm going to get you to do C yourself. All right, number 2A, fill in the missing information. So one book costs $4. How much do 2 books, 3 books, and 4 books cost? Okay, so all you have to do is multiply 4 by 2, okay, and then 4 by 3, and then 4 by 4. All right, so 4 times 2 is 8, so it's $8. Make sure you have the dollar sign, please, at the front of the number. 4 times 3 is $12, and 4 times 4 is $16. Okay, so that's what you have to write in the blanks. 8, 12, 16. So that's all you have to do is you multiply. Okay, so once you know what one thing costs, then you can multiply it by the number you see, okay, in the other questions. So for example, B, one ticket costs $6, so you do 6 times 12, 6 times 3, 6 times 4. Got it? All right, so you're going to do B, C, D, E, and F, and G yourself. All right, let's look at number 3. Multiply to find the missing information. So 3A is done for you, where it says one book costs $5, 3 books cost blank. So same thing, you take 5 times 3 equals 15. All right, so A is done for you. Let's do that better. B. So 2 kilometers in 1 hour. So blank kilometers in 6 hours. So what do? We do 2 times what? So we'll do it like the way they showed you in Jump Math in 3A. So 2 times 6, right? Because 1 times what gives you 6? 1 times 6 gives you 6. So that's why you know it's times 6. So what is 6 times 2? It is 12. Okay, so you're going to write 12 kilometers in 6 hours. Let's do one more. C, 1 box for 6 markers and 5 boxes for blank markers. Okay, so again, you're going to look at the 2 numbers here first. 1 times what gives you 5 times 5. So that means 6 times 5 gives you what? 30. So you should have 30 markers. Okay? So look at one side first where it has the 2 numbers already. So 1 times what gives you 6. 1 times what gives you 5. Once you figure that out, then you know what to do in the other side. Okay? All right. You're going to do D, E, and F yourself. And I'm going to erase. So give me a second. Okay. So number 4, it says Emin drives 100 kilometers in 1 hour. How many kilometers will he drive in 7 hours? So your hint, I'm not going to do it for you, but your hint is multiply. Okay, we've been doing multiplication, so it's multiplication here. Okay, same with number 5, multiply. All right, so you're doing 4 and 5 on your own. If you need scrap paper to work it out, use that, and then write your answer on the blanks. Okay, number 6. 6A is done for you. It says find the missing information. 2 books cost $10. 4 books cost what? So 2 to 4 is doubling. Okay, so let's go for this. 2 books equals $10. 4 books equals what? Okay, so how do you get from 2 to 4? You times 2, right? So what you do to one side, you got to do to the other. So what is 10 times 2? It is 20. Okay, so that's how they got the 20 here. All right, let's do one more. 4 mangoes, mangoes, cost $12. All right, and then 2 mangoes equal blank. All right, so this is going in reverse. Instead of multiplying, because the numbers are getting smaller, it is divided by. So 4 divided by what gives you 2? So 2 is half of 4, right? So it's divided by 2. Okay, so anything divided by 2 is half, remember? So what is 12 divided by 2? So you can say 2 times what gives you 12? It is 6. So it is $6. Okay? So 6, when you times it by 2, you get 12. And when you go 2 times what gives you 4, it's times 2. Okay? All right. C, you're going to do yourself, but because the numbers are getting bigger, okay, then it is multiplication. All right, that's your hint, and that's page 43. Watch for page 44. There will be a video for that.